Getting Duolingo Math on Android is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Duolingo Math on Android. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Duolingo and then join beta. You just have to search for that, and then you have to go to the Duolingo's official website, which should be duolingo.com. Now, as you guys can see, it has this beta program, and this beta also include Duolingo Math. Now, in order to get access to those features, you just have to, enroll yourself. So once your enrollment is done and you are selected in the, beta version, you will be able to use those, mathematical features of the Duolingo. So for that, you simply have to click on this sign me up, and then you will be enrolled. Once you're completed and accessed, you just have to download the normal Duolingo app from the Play Store and then simply open it up, and this will contain the math feature right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.